Hey, what's going on, everybody? James here, and today I'm going to do a little bit of flying with the DJI Neo. Let's get going. We're going to come from a very well lit area behind my shop, so I got a little bit of free time today. It's right at the end of the workday. I'm going to do a quick fly through the shop. This is what I really wanted to see right here, is how fast the camera can change from a dark room to a very sunlit area, and look at it. It changed real quick. Let's see how well this thing does as a leaf blower. I'm gonna make a little path to these leaves right here. Watch this. Yeehaw. More leaves. Right on. Like I said, this is a short video. There's more. So this is my first attempt trying to orbit something. Alright, I noticed our friend Japan, he was blooming, so I decided I'm gonna try to orbit it. I never orbited a subject before. Normally I was just practicing orbits in the yard and doing it. And this is a weird thing to orbit because it's kind of rectangle shape. See? Yeah. And I am orbiting it very close. But yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, just chill out, listen to the music, and look at the flowers on the spiky Spanish bayonet. Ever wondered what these flowers look like up this close? Well, now you know. Yep, you can tell it's springtime. Nice sunset flight. And coming back around. I think I'm going to set it up for a farther back orbit, maybe? No, I'm just going to fly through it. Let's get into your face. Wow, look at this. You can fly this little thing right through leaves and plants and whatnot. It's pretty cool. Dang, not a cloud in the sky. Now I'm going to try an overhead orbit. Hopefully I can do this. I don't know. I've never done it before. There you go. Center it, center it. There you go. All right. Here we go. And we're going slowly because there's a power line. Oh, just over the power line for the light. Now hopefully I don't hit the street lamp. Yeah, it's a lot easier to kind of keep it in center from up here above it. Oh, try it. Not as smooth as I'd like to be, but I'll keep practicing. All right, I'm coming through, and I'm gonna land. Oh, I gotta trim that vine back there. Well, that's it, folks. I said it was a short one. Until next time, later, y'all.